Hey guys, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I am back over here at John's Garage in Wake Forest, North Carolina. You know, I stop in here fairly often. He's always got old stuff he's working on. And what we've got here, John tells me this is a 49 Dodge. And he told me why it was here, and I have forgot. Oh, the carburetor. Yeah, the guy wants the carburetor rebuilt. He says it still has the original Flathead 6 in it and probably a 1-barrel carburetor. And, well, you see it's been clear coated. Clear coat's peeling off. Let's see what we got on the inside there. Bench seat. It's like it's all original, that goofy looking steering wheel cover. Yeah, I think she's had some paint work done on her. And the clear didn't take on it too good, so it's gonna need to be scuffed up and probably re-cleared at the very least. And some damage right here. What happened there? Well, it appears to be a pretty solid old truck though. Like it's been off the road for about 2 years. It's got a decent set of tires on it. I'm gonna open the door. Huh. Pretty neat. Yes, and that's probably the original seat's been recovered. Yeah, that steering wheel cover, I'd have to, I'm not digging that. I like the rest of the truck though, that's cool. Heck yeah, man. Get back and get you a better look at this beauty. It's got nice lines to it, of course most pickups do. Red wheels on a dark blue truck. Big giant white walls. Dodge. Notice how it's got, I'm pretty sure that bumper wasn't that color, but this here was black. And it's got a lot of damage to it. Somebody's been buffing right here. Look at the buffing marks. Yeah, she's gonna need a paint job. Yeah, I think she may have set out some too. I kind of like the old truck myself. You know how they put that sunshade on a lot of them? I've always been a fan of those right up here. A lot of guys don't like that, but I've always kind of liked it myself. And I don't know my Dodge truck, my old trucks, but I guess that's a 3-window. Kind of like that. I really do. All the glass looks good in it. Let's see how the bed looks. The bed looks pretty good. Yeah, don't look bad at all. It needs to be restored again, looks like, but it'd be easier to restore it this time around. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that. Bob out.